Want to restrict editing in a Microsoft Word document? Here's how. First, open your document and go to the Review tab. Click on Restrict Editing to open the restriction panel. Under Editing Restrictions, check the box that says Allow only this type of editing in the document. From the drop-down menu, choose the level of restriction. Options include No Changes, Read Only, Comments, Filling in Forms, or Tracked Changes. If you want to allow editing for specific people, click Exceptions and select Users. Next, click Yes, Start enforcing protection, and set a password if needed. Once enabled, users will only be able to edit according to your restrictions. To remove protection later, go back to Restrict Editing, click Stop Protection, and enter the password if required. That's it. Now you can secure your document and control editing access.